Hey guys, welcome back to Chika's Cocoa channel. So I'm back with my another video. So today we are going to make an amazing and delicious recipe, which is sugar-free cake at home. For this, before making, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on my Instagram ID, which is given below in the box. So these are 4 packets of Oreo biscuit which I'm going to take out in a bowl. So guys, as you can see, these are 4 packets of Oreo from which we will make Oreo cake at home. So now we'll take out these Oreo biscuit into the bowl, which as you can see I'm taking out. So guys, so these are biscuit which I have taken out in the bowl, in from the wrapper. Now I will grind it in the jar. So I'm removing the bowl at the side and I'm bringing the jar. This is the jar in which we will put all the Oreos that would fit. First time we will grind, and then second time we will grind another which are left Oreos biscuit. So these I have grinded now, as you can see it. So first I will keep the Oreo which are not grinded by me. So I've kept them at the side. These are left. These are which I've grinded. I will pour it with the help of strainer and spoon. I will take out in the bowl. As you can see it, I'm also showing you all the steps which I'm taking. See, guys, as you can see it, does all the powdery of Oreo biscuit I have taken out in the bowl. Now I've put the rest of the Oreo biscuit. Now I will grind this one Oreo biscuit, as you can see it. So I have grinded. Now I will pour it in the bowl now, and I'm mixing the powder first so that it would be mixed nicely, and take out the rest powder which is in the jar. See, I've taken out the rest powder, and now I will mix it powder. Guys, as you can see, this powder I have mixed up. Now I've taken a glass of milk and I will mix it and put some milk in the bowl while mixing the batter well. Now we will mix little milk, then we will mix it with the help of strainer. I am showing you all the process. Before mixing the milk, we will mix the powdering part. That is, I have put, this is baking soda, and now I will put baking powder, half tablespoon, both the quantity I have put. So this is baking powder I am putting now with the help of spoon. This is half I have put, as you can see it, this half. And now I will mix all the powdery mixture together, and now we will take little milk and mix the batter properly. So please mix all the powdery part very nicely, so that the white particles should be hidden and mixed with the brown particle of Oreos, which we have grinded in the jar. Remember this. So this, as you can see, I've picked up milk and mixing some milk and then straining it very well. I'm doing it, as you can see it. I'm showing you in the zoom way, trying to show you in a clear way. I see this is the batter is becoming over here little thick, as you can see it. So I'm putting more milk into it. Slowly I'm mixing the batter so that it is mixed up very nicely, as you can see it. Guys, as you can see it, I have mixed the batter very nicely. The batter consistency, it should be like this, as I'm showing you now. See this, it should be like this, drop. So now we'll make on electric gas our cake. So we'll bake on our electric gas cake. This is sugar free, as you can see it. I have not put a single drop or single piece of sugar, as you can see it. I'm showing you in the video also. So this is the kadai which I'm going to use for making cake. So now I've put the stand into it, and I will put the temperature, it should be 20,000, exactly 2000 temperature should be. And I will keep a stand or a dhakkan upon it to heat. After 15 minutes we will put the batter. So as you can see, our batter consistency is very nicely, it's ready. So now we will grease our bowl with oil. So we would be using hairbrush, not the comb hairbrush. We would be using the silicone hairbrush which comes for greasing the oil. So this is the red color hairbrush. So with the help of oil we'll grease it all the sides, so that our cake does not stick to bottom. So as you can see, I'm putting oil from all the side, as you can see it. You need to grease it like this only, so that the oil should be covered on all the sides of the ball. Not a single side should be left, because it would be left, so our cake would not come out at a circle way. See, as you can see it, I'm quickly showing you. I am greased my bowl now, as you can see it. Now I will put the batter into the bowl. As you can see it, I am first removing all the drops of batter from the strainer, so that the strainer batter should not be wasted. So I'm putting the batter into the bowl. As you can see it, from the bowl I'm putting the batter. Guys, our batter is ready. Now we'll bake it quickly. As you can see, the steam is coming out while I'm opening it. Now I'll put this batter into the karai to bake it. So as you can see, I put the dhakkan, that is cap of the karai. So this I have covered it. So now we will wait for 15 or to 20 minutes. While waiting, we will also put this atta on the side so the steam does not come out of the karai. As you can see, I have closed the gas already. Now our cake has been baked for 10 minutes to 2 minutes exactly. I've kept it in the karai only for little, because it was little very much hot. Now with the help of this, I will take out in the plate. As you can see it, so I have taken out over here. So I have bring it. Now I will do tap tap. For this I will keep to 2 minutes on relax, and then we will start doing tap tap to take out into the plate. So as you can see it, the cake has been ready. Now I will take out it into the plate. So as you can see it has been come into two layers. Now I will flip it and then show it to you how a cake is looking from upwards. As you can see, I have flipped it now. So it's looking so yummy. I had tasted it. It was not so much sugary. It was very light sugar into it. And exactly, I have not put sugar. It's Oreo biscuit cake without sugar. So this cake is ready. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel.